What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy back with another video. I'm actually recording this on my cell phone because my big camera, this bad boy, the Canon 60D, is out of battery, so we're using my cell phone. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I want to be real with you guys, 100% real. The reason why I haven't been posting a lot of videos is because I feel a little bit down. The reason why I feel down is because my other channel, My Laugh Facts, only has 300 subscribers. Okay, and when you go from having thousands of subscribers and thousands of views on one video to having no subscribers or very little subscribers and like very little views on your videos, you get a little bit discouraged because you're like, what the fuck am I doing wrong? You know what I mean? And I understand, like, yeah, I don't know, it takes a long time to build up an audience and all that good stuff, but you know, it got to me. So what are you gonna do? You know, I stopped making videos because I was like, well, fuck, I don't want to make videos for like the mechanic channel if like I'm not making videos for the other channel, but then like I got in a car accident, so I haven't been making videos for the other channel because I've been hurt, haven't been able to go to the gym or do anything properly, so I've been all fucked up. So I think what I'm gonna do is just say YOLO, and I'm gonna post all of my content on this channel, whether you whether you guys like it or not, because at the end of the day, guys, I talk about what I talk about, and I love talking about tools. I love talking about business. I love talking about, you know, girls. I love talking about everything we talk about, man. And it is what it is, okay? A lot of you guys are going to be mad. A lot of people are going to be like giving me shit and a bunch of negativity. People are going to be like, Nestor, you shouldn't be posting on this channel about testosterone. And like, oh my God, it's a scam and all this bullshit. I don't care, okay? I don't care what those people say, because at the end of the day, there's more people out here that enjoy my content, that like to see what I do, and that will find out about shit that they never found out about before, okay? And for me, that's more important. And plus, I like having a shit ton of views. It does make my dick feel bigger when I get a bunch of views on my channel, because who fucking doesn't like it? You know, people give up because they don't get any views on their channel. And you know, fuck that. Like, I made videos for 2 years straight, okay? I'm not gonna just let that shit like disappear, okay? Because a few people are like upset that they're not looking at the stuff they always look at. If you guys are gonna be here, I'm gonna make this like a channel trailer too. If people are gonna be here, it's gonna be because of like the all-encompassing Nestor, not just mechanic Nestor, because there's very many aspects of myself that you guys don't even know about, and I love to share that with you. I want to start a fucking book club. I want to start making do daily emails where I give you guys advice on your businesses, like how to sell properly. I want to start a Twitter where I just talk about business and like life and everything. Like, there's a lot of aspects to me. So I like fucking traveling now. You know, there's a bunch of other things that I like, and I want to share that with you guys. But you know, I can't do that if I just keep getting negativity, and I'm gonna get negativity no matter what. Okay, people are not gonna like who I am. People are not gonna like what I talk about. That happens all the time. It's not a big deal. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna just keep doing what I do. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys find something interesting that you guys haven't thought about before. I don't know, man. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna be doing what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna post it here. I hope you guys enjoy it. If not, it is what it is. Don't watch, okay? I wish I could block people that complain to me, but I can't fucking block people because I don't know, YouTube, fuck, man. How do you block people on YouTube so they don't want to watch your videos? Like, I don't even, like, I just want people here that are into like shit that I'm into. That's why I started doing this shit in the beginning, because I didn't have any friends that were like into talking about the stuff that I talked about. Okay, and when my friends that I did have were all online and they lived in different countries and like all over the place. So like I started YouTube because I got to connect with guys that like talking about mechanic stuff and business stuff. And like, how am I gonna like stop myself from talking about something just because somebody doesn't like it? It doesn't make any fucking sense. And I'm not gonna fucking do that. I'm gonna talk about whatever I want to talk about, and the people that like me and that like the shit that I talk about are gonna be here, and they're gonna be my friends. And people that don't, they're not gonna fucking be here, and they're gonna go somewhere else, which is completely okay. Okay, not everybody's for everybody. Anyways, that's it. 4 minutes and 31 seconds of me telling you guys why I'm gonna be posting all my content on here, whether you like it, whether it's about fucking business, whether it's about fitness, whether it's about traveling, whether it's about tools, whether it's about how to fucking do compressor on that fucking car right there. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna post it all here. Hope you guys enjoy. Daily vlogs coming again, because why fucking not? Thanks so much for watching, gentlemen. My true fans, my true guys that like are here I don't even like calling you guys fans. I like calling you, like, you guys are more fucking like friends more than anything. Shit, I interact with you guys way more than I do anybody else in the real world. Sad to say, but it's fucking true. And I'm happy about it because I found people that are like me. And for somebody like me that has always been the outsider because of the way I thought and felt about things, it's nice. It's fucking nice. I'm not gonna let that shit go. Thanks so much for watching, gentlemen. Hit the like button. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully it's positive, but this is the only time you guys give me shit. Just kidding. Don't give me any shit. I love you guys. Auto Mechanic Supply for your new shirts. Thanks for watching, boys. Take care.